Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here from Woven, and I'm thrilled to share this rug collection. Not just any rug collection, this is the Asha flat woven rug collection. Today we're going to be looking at the Mahi pattern that we have in this collection. A couple different color palettes. We have it in this blue, we have it in a red, a couple different sizes. I'd love to just take a couple minutes here and talk you through sort of what we've come up with for this particular pattern. So as you can see here, it's got this prominent center medallion. Color tones are sort of corals, a little bit of light touches of light red in there, a little bit of rust also in sort of the florals, along with some beiges, a couple different tones of beige, tobacco, ivory. And then when we look at the overall composition, as you can see, we have this sort of repeating pattern that goes sort of throughout the composition of the rug. This is inspired by the Persian Mahi prints. Mahi is typically exactly as you kind of see it here. It's the small repeating prints with a center medallion. So really excited about this one. What we've done a little different in this particular interpretation of it is made the borders a little bit thinner than usual. As you can see here, sometimes these borders come out to be really extravagant and it's multiple layers. I'm talking about these sort of emblems here. Tend to be sort of like multiple layers. This is a little bit more rigid in its shaping, in its shapes, and also it's more simplified. So to really create prominence of this particular medallion and also create this sort of base repeating pattern. Also here we have this border, also again thin. Sometimes you'll see in classic carpets there'll be multiple layers of border. Pretty simple. It's about 5 borders here. You have the center coming down, this sort of base center coming down, and then you have these two sort of side borders as well. Moving along, another variant of that same print in the red color. So why we love Asha is it's really taking the classic antique Persian rug and reinterpreting it into modern styling, modern sensibilities. As you can see here, this rug has quite a bit of distressing on it. So it really has that washed out, worn out look in modern colorways. The borders have sort of like a tone from like charcoal to like a blue. And then the center here is sort of tones of corals, a few different tones of reds, probably more than 10 different variations of the red, which gives it a little, makes it look, feel dynamic, rich in the context of like a washed out vintage reclaimed Persian area rug. This is sort of that was our mission with this particular piece. You can see here a smaller version of the 5x7. We also have another, also from the rug collection. This is the sickle leaf. We'll cover this one in another video in the coming days. But following along with the Mahi print, as you can see here, we also have it in this like tonal, tone on tone sort of look, which kind of has like a moss green sort of base to it, with touches of grays that are complementary to the green, some beiges. So yeah, we try to switch it up throughout with this pattern, but in different colorways. So hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks so much for tuning in.